Xpro Drone Review. Xpro Drone feature-rich 4K drone that gives you value for money. Drone shots are so beautiful. Both video and still images look so much better. So, you go to buy one because it's the way forward. After asking a few people, they all tell you that Company A makes the best drones, and sure enough, everyone seems to agree. Then you look at the price tag, and it hits you that you might not be able to buy it. It costs a lot. Now you're thinking, is it worth it? Do I really need a drone? You need a drone, but you do not need to pay through the nose to get one. Any company that has had time to build a reputation will not just sell you the specifications but also the name. It shouldn't be that way, but that is how it is. Here's where we come in. The Xpro drone is the answer to your need for a drone. You can get one now, with the same specifications as the high-end models, at a price that makes sense. What exactly is the Xpro drone? It's our answer to overpriced 4K drones. It comes with a 4K HD adjustable camera with real-time image transmission. The videos are excellent, and the pictures crisp. Features are king, which is why the Xpro drone has a 4K adjustable camera, long-distance 5G Wi-Fi image transmission for real-time video feed, built-in functions like filters, video effects, and background music, intelligent follow modes for easy flying, one key for takeoff and return, landing functions. All the features you would expect from a drone are included. Best price of the month $199, $398. Get Xpro drone discount, link in description. The economics of names. We are a relatively new company. At some point in our growth, we will be so well known that we, too, will probably start selling you overpriced drones. However, before we get to that point, there is a pretty easy way to look at this. Company A has been making drones for a long time. Same with Company B or C or any other that you have considered. We don't have the same illustrious history. But what we do have, is a drone that does everything a drone should do. It has all the functions, all the cool programmed landings, and takeoffs, all the features you need, and our pricing is fair. We take the production cost and add a small premium to turn a profit so we can continue making more and sell it to you affordably. Shipping directly from the factory. Buy Xpro drone with the best price. Get 50% off today. The economics of names is all about selling you overpriced drones because this or that company made that drone. You do not have to pay through the nose anymore. All you want is a great user experience, impeccable footage, and convenience. We give you all of that with the Xpro drone. Companies that have established themselves will overprice drones in the name of quality. We aren't saying they're not quality drones, we're just saying that they won't tell you that you are paying to have their name on your drone as well, and usually, it constitutes a large portion of that premium. The app interface. Knowing what the app interface presents you with is an excellent way of knowing what you can do with the Xpro drone. From the app, you will be able to view power, geomagnetic interference, height and speed, latitude and longitude, lens switching, VR mode, lens rotation, album, image clarity. The list goes on and on. You will be able to use functions like zoom, emergency stop, follow me mode, palm control, GPS follow, point of interest, one key return, switch map, front lens pan. Do you see where this is going? The point is, it is everything you want, at a cost that won't make you do a double take. Now, you too can have the gorgeous footage, the quality of an exquisite build, the features in the app, and all without significantly affecting your bank balances. Everything you want, in one drone. Shooting big scenes, switching speed, maneuvering the drone while it's mid-flight, switching lenses, adding music, adding filters, all of that is what you get with the Xpro drone. With a modern and extremely intelligent design, we know that you will love the experience. Take the Wi-Fi, for instance. 4G is good, but 5G is better. You want a faster drone, not just in flights but in transmission. Allow the Xpro 4K drone to put you in the action with immersive visuals that stream back to you in real time. What's our edge? The price is our edge. We are offering you everything a 4K camera drone should have, at a very reasonable price. Even if we were to jack up the price for no apparent reason and keep the features as they are, you would still buy it based on its merits alone. It's not about being cheap. It's about enabling you to get the shots you need at prices that allow us to continue to innovate and upgrade models without draining your finances. It is, at its very core, a great deal for a great drone. 1,000 plus people bought this product last week. Xpro drone, feature-rich 4K drone that gives you value for money. Discount link in description.